Okay, so we want to work on getting our dogs to back up. It's pretty easy. What I do is get the dogs in front of me and have them in a stand position. Stand. Shh, Zeke. Finley. Shh. Stand. Good girl. And I just take my hands and back up. If they sit down, just walk towards them. Back up. Back up. Come here. Stand. Back up. Yes. Good girl. Come here. Back up. Yes. Good girl. Come here. Come here. Right here in front of me. Back up. Whoopsie. Come here. Back up. Whoopsie. Come here, Gemma. Shh. Finley. Stand. Back up. Back up. Yes. Good girl. Come here. Stand. Back up. Back up. Back up. Yes. Good girl. Good girl. Come here. Back up. Back up. Back up. Yes. Good girl. You just want to start out first couple times with a couple steps. Back up. Whoopsie. Come here. Whoopsie. Come here. Stand. Back up. Back up. Yes. Good girl. Just start out slowly with just a couple steps backwards, and then the better they get at that, just make it further and further. If your dog starts to twist any which way as you're trying to get them to back up, there's a couple things you can do. You can either do this in a hallway, you know, a narrow hallway, which kind of keeps them a little straighter. Or you could like do it up against a couch and then put like a 4x4 on the other side, so it kind of keeps them in between it. I just try to do it slowly, so when they start backing up, if they start to curve a little bit, then I'll stop and bring them forward again, to try to not have to use the props. My hallway is pretty wide, so they can still get off center, and I really don't want to bring a 4x4 in my house, but I would if I had to. I have everything else in here. So that's back up.